Welcome to Kixie in a Minute. Today, we'll be walking through best practices in Kixie for administrators. We'll dive into our new reporting page called AI Insights, which turns calls and SMS into revenue signals by delivering live dashboards, automated reports, and a conversational AI assistant. So your team can move from what happened to what to do next in seconds. Then we'll show you how to add and manage agents, plus handle billing. If you're the admin adding power lists for your SDR team, make sure to check out the special video linked in the description below. Let's get started. How do I add an agent and how do I replace an agent? So if I go to manage an agent, that takes me to my agent view. And now what I can do if I needed to add someone is click this blue add button on the far right side. And this is where I can enter in first name, last name, email. These are all required fields along with password and then the different products that this user is going to need, such as the power dialer or connection boost or unlimited minutes. And then another thing that you'll want to do as well is you're going to want to buy a dedicated number for this particular rep. So keep in mind, even though it says by number, we're not going to charge you for that number because each agent gets a free number with them. So to buy a number, you can click on this tab here. You can search an area code. So if I wanted a 424 Los Angeles number, I can click search, and then I can click select here if this is the number I want. And then if I filled out all of the other information here, I don't need to go back to the add agent tab to be able to successfully add them. I can just click the add agent button down at the bottom once I've selected the number that I need to assign to this rep. So once I do that, I click the add agent button and this user's been added to Kixie. If, for example, I wanted to, maybe there's a rep that has left the company or no longer needs Kixie. If I wanted to replace an agent with a different one so I didn't incur any new costs, I can click on that agent and select edit all. And all I need to do to replace this agent with a new one is edit the email. Obviously, I'm gonna wanna replace the other information as well, like their first name, last name, caller ID name, maybe even the phone number. But all that's needed to completely wipe the information of the old agent and replace them with the new agent is updating the email here. So if I made this nathanv@kixie.com, all I need to do now is click save and replace agent. And that is going to send nathanv@kixie.com a welcome email, login credentials, and access to the Chrome store link to download Kixie Power Call. So that's how you replace an agent. Again, all you need to do is click save and replace. And then the other important thing that we wanted to go through in this video is billing. How do I add a card or update a card on my Kixie account to make sure in case something's been expired, or maybe I need to get going, maybe I have a different card that I wanna use with Kixie. And to do that, all you need to do is go down to the finance section and the billing tab here on the far left side if you're an admin. You can click on that and then just click on invoices here. And if you wanted to update the billing email, you can click edit billing email. This is where all of the invoices and billing notifications are gonna go. And then to update your card, you can click this button here and it's gonna take you to a window where you can enter in your email, your card number, expiration, security code, all that good stuff. We're gonna check out AI Insights, which is our new reporting suite, is gonna help you make more well-informed decisions with all of this great calling and SMS data that you have in our platform. So to do that, we're gonna go into the top left corner of the Kixie dashboard where it says AI Insights, new. We're gonna click on that. And then as soon as you click on that, it's going to take you to this brand new call history dashboard that has some really valuable information here, looking at, by default, the last 7 days of call data, but gives you charts on how many answered calls there's been, how many missed calls, who are your top agents, what are the best days of week to call, and then also a call history log here with all of the different calls that have been made over the past week. If I wanted to dive deeper into a particular chart, we have a bunch of different options that you can do. If you, for example, wanted to download this chart, maybe you need to do a presentation tomorrow and you want to include this in a PowerPoint, or maybe you wanted to email this particular chart to someone. So this download option will download it either as a PDF or a PNG or a different file type. And then we also have options to explore this chart. If you click Explore, this is a great way to, maybe if you wanted to make adjustments to this chart, like only look at the top 5 agents in terms of call volume. Maybe you wanted to change the date range for just this particular chart's call data. Or maybe you wanted to change the chart type altogether. That's what the Explore button will help you do. And then we also have a scheduled delivery option. So if you wanted to just automatically send this chart to your email or your boss's email, you could make it once a month, once a day at a particular time. Scheduled delivery is the option that you would want to do that through. And then we also, within this dashboard, have a really new exciting feature that is basically like, now that you have all of this great call data in here, how do you act on that? How do you make decisions based off this data and kind of just paint a better picture for how your team is doing? That's where our AI dashboard assistant is going to be really helpful, Kai. And in the bottom right corner, this is where you'll find how to leverage this great new feature. And when you click on Kai, you can ask it a question about anything in this dashboard. So just as an example, maybe I want to start really big picture, and I want to start with something like, what are the trends from this week of calling data compared to last week? I can ask Kai, it's going to start generating a query for me. And the great thing about this is I didn't have to go outside of the system to download anything or calculate anything or come up with some of this on my own. This is Kixie. This is our dashboard AI assistant, Kai, doing it for you. So really think of it as your best friend when it comes to just helping you understand your call data and where do you go from here with some of the decisions and processes that you can make while using Kixie. You'll see if I scroll down, Kai's given me some week over week calling trends related to call volume, call outcomes, call duration, and even some takeaways. So my team's made 72% more calls this week, which is really cool compared to last week. And again, these are things that really, it took like a minute to do this. And again, not having to go outside of Kixie to be able to get data or make decisions like based off of Kixie data, which is really valuable. If I wanted to dive into a particular chart and better understand data for a particular chart, you could do that through this AI dashboard assistant feature at the bottom. You can also go into this 3-line icon and ask a follow-up question. It's actually going to take you directly back to the AI dashboard assistant, but it's going to give you a little bit more of a honed in view. It's going to only look at data from this particular chart and nothing else. So what I could ask if I was looking at a particular chart is say, who made the most calls on Wednesday, December 10? And again, Kai's going to start generating a query for me, and then it's going to formulate an answer. Gave me the top 3 agents, even gave me stats around how these reps accounted for almost half the calls that were made that day. And so again, we're using AI to be able to help us make more well-informed decisions. What we can also do in this AI Insights view is this is one dashboard, the call history dashboard, but we also have a couple others that have been pre-built for you. So if you go to the top left corner, this 3-line icon here, I can click on it. It's going to take me to a section called the Hub. And the Hub has a couple of different pre-built dashboards for me. If I click on Activity History folder, we've already looked at the call history one. We have a similar one for SMS history. And then also in our reporting folder, we have pre-built reports for power list contacts. So if you're using the power dialer, this could be a really valuable one that you'll want to check out. And then also connection summary. Connection summary has been a really cool one that teams have utilized because one of the main goals that we want to see with Kixie is how are we improving our connection rate? How are we improving the number of quality calls that our team is making that are leading to conversions, to appointments booked, to more revenue that the team is generating? And connection rate's one of the things that we can look at that helps us understand that better. So a popular one that I've seen when it comes to just like using Kai is what is the outgoing connection rate week over week for the past 4 weeks? again, like when working with teams and how do we measure success on the system, this has been a really valuable thing because it takes seconds to help get this data and understand like where improvement's been being made. So we can see in this particular query that Kai ran for us, the week of November 24 had the highest outgoing connection rate. It's giving us trends week over week for that connection rate, and we can see if it's improving, if it's decreasing. We could even ask a follow-up question about like, why does this week have a lower connection rate than previous weeks, and dive into it more from there. That wraps up our quick look at Kixie for admins. You've seen AI Insights in action, how to add and manage agents, and also how billing works. If you're ready to take control of your team's communications and analytics, you're set. Thanks for joining Kixie in a minute. See you next time.